Hello children, welcome to Auntie's Eco Home, an opportunity for yours truly to give you a few tips to save yourself a few shekels and be environmentally friendly, something that we're all conscious about in this day and age. So here we're starting with some leafy greens, something that's good for your skin, good for your system, keeps you moving along. We all need that, especially at my age. So here we have some rather droopy looking kale. Hipsters, you love your kale, I know you do, out there, inner west hipsters. Look at it, it's a bit sad, isn't it? Here's one I prepared earlier, simply by putting it in a little bit of chilled water, a little bit of into the fridge time, and look at it, it's ready to go, ready to put it on a nice salad, or put it into your NutriBullet over there. There you go, and once you're finished with what you're using, just grab yourself a freezer bag, chop it up, chop, and then just put it into the freezer, and Bob's your uncle, or your auntie, if, whatever works. And here you go. This is it looks like a pound of hydro, but it's not. It's kale, and yeah, you can do whatever you want with it. So there you go. There's Auntie's home tips for the month. Over and out.